So when you are rewriting the personal statement, rewriting the personal statement requires an informed point of view about the following: academic intentions, professional aspirations, personal life management. So rewrite the personal statement with both your own self-assessment and objective assessment of the major intended field and what you hope to accomplish long term. Now, of course, you don't want to mention pay outlook, job outlook in the personal statement. We can find that information on our own. But when you are rewriting the personal statement, you do need to have some idea about your academic intentions and what is required long term for you to contribute to your field all the way up to retirement age. You need to be honest with yourself about your professional aspirations. What do you really want to become? And you will take this entry level position all the way up to the next positions until you can get to the position you really want. And then, of course, your personal life management. This goes without saying. It is really time out for us to continue engaging in these types of relationships that do not mean us well. And that when you are, the reason why I want you to pay attention to this personal life management, because we don't always think of it. We jump hastily into situations, we get into things, and we reflect too late, and then we're now in it, and it's now affecting our job, and people exes are coming onto the job and harassing us, and this is something, if you understand what it is you are trying to accomplish academically, professionally, you would think twice about what you engage in personally. So that's what I want you to think about when you are rewriting your personal statement.